Most men spend hundreds of dollars on supplements, pills, and gadgets and get zero real results. But today, I'm sharing what urologists actually recommend in their private practice. A simple 3-minute daily exercise that improves blood flow, strengthens the pelvic floor, and directly impacts both size and hardness. No gimmicks. Pure anatomy. Let's get into it. Welcome back to the channel, where we cover real men's health, backed by real science. I'm going to walk you through exactly what this exercise is, why it works physiologically, and how to do it correctly every single day. And trust me, most men are completely unaware this even exists. By the end of this video, you'll have a full routine ready to start tonight. No pills, no surgery, just science. Why this works, before we get to the exercise, let's talk about why it works, because understanding the science makes you actually stick to it. The penis is made up of two chambers called the corpora cavernosa. When you're aroused, blood rushes into these chambers and creates an erection. The strength and size of that erection depends on two things: blood flow capacity and pelvic floor muscle strength. Here's what most men don't know. The pelvic floor muscles act like a pump. The stronger they are, the more blood gets trapped in those chambers, meaning harder, fuller erections. Urologists have been prescribing pelvic floor training for erectile dysfunction for over 20 years. Studies show up to 40% improvement in erectile function in just 3 months. The 3-minute exercise. All right, here is the actual routine. This is called an advanced Kegel and reverse Kegel combination. It takes exactly 3 minutes. Do it every single morning. Find the muscle first. You need to identify your pelvic floor muscle. The easiest way? Pretend you're stopping the flow of urine midstream. That squeeze you just felt, that's your PC muscle. That's what we're training. Standard Kegel holds: squeeze that muscle and hold for 5 seconds. Then release for 5 seconds. Repeat this 6 times. Keep your breathing normal. Don't tighten your stomach, glutes, or thighs. Isolate only the pelvic floor. Squeeze 5 seconds. Release 5 seconds. Repeat 6 times. Rapid contractions. Now do quick, rapid squeezes. Contract and release every 1 second. Do this for 45 seconds straight. This trains the fast twitch muscle fibers, which directly impact erection speed and strength. Reverse Kegel. This is the part most people skip, and it's actually the most important. Instead of squeezing, you gently push outward, like you're trying to push air out slowly. Hold for 5 seconds. Release for 5 seconds. Repeat 4 to 5 times. This improves blood inflow, which directly impacts fullness and size. Results timeline. Now let's talk results, because you want to know what to expect. Week 1 to 2. You'll notice stronger muscle awareness and slightly improved morning erections. Week 3 to 4. Noticeably harder erections, better control. Month 2. Significant improvement in stamina and fullness. Month 3. Studies show measurable improvement in erection quality scores, up to 40% in clinical trials. The key is consistency. 3 minutes every morning. That's it. You can do it in bed, on the floor, sitting at your desk. Nobody knows you're doing it. 3 minutes. Every morning, 90 days. So let's recap what you learned today. The pelvic floor muscle controls blood flow and erection quality. A combination of Kegel holds, rapid contractions, and reverse Kegels, done in just 3 minutes daily, can produce real, measurable results within weeks. No pills, no devices, just consistent training. If this video helped you, drop a like. It genuinely helps this channel reach more men who need this information. Subscribe if you're new, because every week I cover real men's health topics that nobody else is talking about. And comment below. Tell me, did you know about reverse Kegels before this video? I read every comment. See you in the next one.